Before application, measure and trim to the size and shape necessary to fit the desired head and neck treatment area. Trim the tech pad to the desired size and shape. Using the neck strap, align the center of the strap on the back of the neck with the strap ends curving downward. Loosely wrap the strap ends around to the front of the neck, contouring beneath the chin to allow room for the pad. Mark and trim slightly beyond where the strap ends meet. Apply a large width hook tab to the edge of one strap end for attachment to the opposing strap end. The neck strap may also need to be trimmed to accommodate the ears and contour of the neck. With neck strap and pad applied, align the center of the facial chin strap on the back of the neck. Strap may be used curving upward or downward. Lightly wrap the strap ends around the front of the neck, contouring along the chin and facial areas as needed. Mark and trim slightly beyond where the strap ends meet. May use provided hook stay to attach small chin strap to large neck strap. Apply a small hook tab to the end of strap to secure to the opposite end of the strap. The strap hook tab closures should always be placed on the front of the head or neck where the user can easily access them for quick removal. The chin strap may need to be trimmed to accommodate the ears. One or two double-sided hook tabs may be used to attach the chin strap to the neck strap for easier donning and doffing.